So hello friends, today I gonna tell you that how you do the performance testing by the help of Blazemeter tool. So Blazemeter is a very reliable tool, and I think that it is an open source tool that is widely used for that performance testing purpose. So I'll share that how to set up that Blazemeter. So basically Blazemeter, you have to add that extension, Blazemeter extension, and you have to install that extension with along with your Chrome browser. And after that you able to record that element, and you put that element to that particular so first of all you have to sign up, that is the mandatory thing. So here I just write my name like Codemaster, and I put that some company name and something like that. Then after that you have to sign up, and then you are able to use that Blazemeter tool. Now that what is that, why we need that Blazemeter? So previously I showed you that basically by that use of har file, but Blazemeter is a one tool that basically you don't need that any har file or anything like that. Blazemeter will give you that JMX file, what that file you want for the performance testing. So it takes some time to load, and then what thing you need to do, you just you need to like close and everything, and run some demo test. Okay, so we have this application like Blazemeter demo. So first of all here we need to record that element. Okay, so first here I need to this is Blazemeter demo website. For that doing some performance testing, kind of practicing, it is actually practicing purpose. So I put that my email address. So email address should be like unique, and password I need to put. So friend, this video is helpful for those who want that like that, who want to know that how that performance testing works. So basically here I go to that flight. Okay, so here I need to provide that code master, this kind of thing we need to do manually, and then we record that these steps by that Blazemeter extension, and then we export that extension to that JMX file. And after that we need to import that JMX file with our Jmeter tools. And then what we need to do, we just start running that multiple like thread within the same time. So we are actually bombard that our full request for a particular this server, and whatever response we will get, that thing we need to make and prepare some report and some graphical chart, and by that only we get to know that what is the performance of that report. So basically I started that test demo. I'm start recording from here. Okay, so basically it here that I need to start recording, and I use that tag like this one. That tag name, so by the tag name only we get to know that how many. So tag name is very much necessary for that Blazemeter, that's why we are using that Blazemeter. Now that I provide that my name, code master, and whatever thing we are actually doing here manually, this thing recorded by Blazemeter extension, and Blazemeter extension provide us that JMX file, that file we want, and we put that JMX file to Jmeter. I'll show you every step with details. Now everything is proper. So this manual information, now stop that recording here, and I see that this icon is blinking, that means that our JMX file is ready. Now here we need to select that JMX. So JMX, it provided us that whatever HTTP request, response, API kind of thing, everything is provided by Jmeter, that Blazemeter only. Okay, now this is our JMX file. So we need to open, but it is unable to open. So now we need to go that our Apache Jmeter and click on open, and here we select that particular JMX file, what is the JMX file we have downloaded right now, that thing we require, that thing is required. So I click on that. See, it took that every step up automatically. We did not need to do anything. Okay, now we have to add some listener, and like listener I use that result graph and something here another listener I need like summary report. Okay, that is the fine. Now here I need to change the thread like 100, and ramp up period everything is like 1, and loop count should be 10. So I think that it is more, so my like that I change the thread for 10 and loop count is 10. So it actually puts the 10 user with that 10 times like interval, like it is a 10 times cycle. Now for that command prompt we need to run like Jmeter. We run that command like Jmeter /n/t, and then where we need to import that this Jmeter JMX properties. So here we get that this is our original path, that part we need to copy and paste it here, and this JMX file path is very much required, and so everything is proper. Now the thing is we need to log something like some, and this is that our path is proper I think. Now we need to log something. So log is, this log should be like .jtl or .csv format. So here I provide that .csv to getting that CSV report. And apart from that okay, fine, desktop, it is good for that desktop one. Okay, now that another is .end user, and that we need to provide that our report. So test performance report, that is desktop one. Okay, yeah, so that's all we need to provide. Now we need to run that our like that why it is not running. Okay, so here we did one mistake, like we need to open that our that particular bin folder, provide that bin folder, and then we have to like use this particular JMX command. So sorry for that. Now we need so this is that our current this command is not working. Because of that we are not here in that particular bin folder. So I try to open that Apache. I went bin and I am starting writing cmd, so directly I am getting that cmd here. Okay, now that same command I just copy paste from here to that our here, that bin folder. Now if I click on that, okay, so what happened, that it actually bombard that particular 10 request within that 10 times cycle. So every time it will provide the 10 user within the same time on the particular demo page, and whatever kind of response we are actually getting, this kind of response, that Jmeter catch and prepare one a very beautiful report. So here also we can see that that something like summaries, average, minimum, maximum, how many errors actually generated by that this while doing that process. So everything is here only. Now let's open that our report. So here test performance report. Now click on that index, it gives us that beautiful report. That beautiful report, it provides that every details like what is the average time, minimum, maximum. So this how like people people doing that like performance testing on that industry. This is the real time scenario. So here you get to know that everything, whatever thing required to run that server, what like run that your server payload, what is that, what is this, how that improvement with that server, whatever that performance report you need to like to use for that your daily day-to-day basis. So everything is required by the Jmeter. Here you can also run that by GUI mode only. GUI mode only you get to know that every step is correct or not, or like where that step is getting failed, and for that what kind of things we need to improve and so many things are present. So basically Jmeter, by the Jmeter only uh, you have that one kind of freedom to add multiple listener, you able to generate that some aggregate graph also, and also you can see that every kind of sample reports here, what is the minimum maximum kind of things, all those things because of listener. Also you can provide some CSV data, and so many kind of things you can do you can do by that this tool actually. So basically this my point of view, I use that tools a lot. I started doing something with that YouTube and other kind of server. So basically this thing is actually very good for that your knowledge, like that how that website work, and what kind of performance testing, how to do performance testing for a particular website. So basically this tool is actually open source, like lots of tools there in market, but Jmeter is most popular one because of that it is open source. That is the one and only reason. So friends, that's all about from my side. If, and I'm extremely sorry that if my English is wrong, because of that I'm not a native English speaker, but the thing is I try to make that video because to help the pupil to get and try to share that my knowledge with that others. So please help me to grow in that YouTube, so I can also contribute some of my knowledge, and also I also learn along with you. And thanks for listening my video, thanks for watching that. If you if any kind of suggestions you want to provide, then please comment me below. That comment on that your thoughts on that below, on comment your thoughts for the. So that's all friend, that's all about from my side. If you have any thought, then please comment down. If I'll surely get back to you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, thank you, bye bye.